Hello everyone! Today we will see how to make crispy raw banana chips. To make these chips, I have taken 2 raw banana and peel the skin of this raw banana and slice it into thin slices. I have used my Preeti Zodiac to slice these raw banana because it's much easier and it makes very thin slices, and I find this very easy and convenient. You can slice this using the small handheld grater also. If you want to see the full review of this Preeti Zodiac mixer grinder, I'll leave the link in the description box. See how thin these slices are. That's why I prefer using this Zodiac. It makes very thin slices and you get very crisp chips out of this. So next, heat some oil in a kadai. Wait for the oil to heat up and then add the banana slices. You can also slice these banana slices directly into the oil. That's how my mother does this chips. But if you're not confident to do that, then you can slice it separately and add one by one into the oil. Once you add the slices to the oil, keep turning it and tossing it from one side to another till it's nice and crispy. To find out when the chips are ready to be taken out of the hot oil, the chips will start turning color. The corner of the chips will start turning golden brown initially, and then slowly the bubbles will also start settling down. As soon as you add the chips, the slices of raw banana, the bubbles will be very intense, and finally towards the end the bubbles will settle down nicely, and also these slices will become firm. That's how you find out that the chips is done. Remove it to a tissue paper and drain it, and then you can start frying the next batch. Add a little bit of salt to your fried chips. Add according to your taste, and then for the spice you can add some red chili powder or pepper powder. But this time I added only some turmeric powder, about a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and mix it all well. Once it cools down slightly, then you can transfer this to an airtight box and you can store it. See how crispy these chips are. It's such an easy and simple recipe. You can make this for your kids' snack box, and you can also make this as a side dish for any rice variety. So do try this simple chips recipe. Until next time, bye bye.